It's safe to say Chance has one coming now. I'm gonna be real. That is the quote from Haiden Deegan after the crash at Spring Creek, which you can see coming up right here. And I honestly, I'm gonna say this. I am a Deegan fan. I think he's great for the sport, his personality, everything's, I'm fine with it. I am gonna say there's absolutely nothing wrong with what happened there. It's just what it is. Chance puts his foot down. Deegan's front wheel hits it. Crash ensues. It is what it is. It's a first corner crash with everyone right behind you, everyone in a giant group. There is always going to be something like that, like a big problem. And I don't see any problem with what Chance did. He's out front. He looks like he lost the front a little bit, put his foot down, which what you do in motocross or dirt bike racing in general to balance yourself, and it just kind of caught the front wheel of Deegan's bike, which in the end it might have actually hurt Chance more than anything because he apparently has an ankle injury now, or at least a hurt ankle. So see if he actually makes it for to Washougal. And I'm going to say this: Deacon's going to get a lot of hate just because he's who he is and he says what he does on the podiums. And I think he's great for the sport, the personality side of things. Everyone, I don't like the cardboard cutout. Just thank your sponsors, and everyone basically says the same thing. So yes, he's a little stupid sometimes. Yes, he's still 18 and probably maturing, but he is great. He is competitive. He's fast. He's good for the sport, I think personally. I just don't see anything wrong with what happened there. And especially now with him being in the lead, or he's been in the lead the whole time, but with the lead he has for this championship, there's no point in throwing it away, trying to play the enforcer or however you want to say it. There's no point in that. Just collect your podiums, collect your wins, collect your points, take the championship this year, and just be smart about it. Collect your single digit uh, ride and move on. But I don't know. In comments below, you guys tell me. One, do you think that anything's gonna actually happen from this, or do you think Deegan probably ended up watching the video and going, never mind, it's fine, but I'm just not gonna retract the statement? Or do you think this is gonna be some bad blood? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.